practice your English with real-life conversations. Let's buy some groceries. Today, we will learn how to talk about buying groceries in English. The key word is buy. Let's begin. Hello,
Hello, how can I help you?
I want to buy some groceries. Can you help me?
Sure. What do you want to buy?
I want to buy some apples, bread, and milk. I see the apples. How much do they cost?
The apples are $2 per kilo.
I will buy 2 kilos of apples. I need some bread. Where can I find the bread?
The bread is on the shelf over there.
Oh, I see it now. I will buy 1 loaf of bread. Do you have any milk?
Yes, we have milk in the fridge section.
Great. I will buy 1 bottle of milk. How much is everything?
The total is $10.
Here is the money. Thank you.
Thank you for shopping with us. Have a great day.
You too. Bye. Now, we have learned how to buy groceries. The key word today was buy. Try to use it in your next conversation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.